Hello guys, today we'll see how it's adjusting rear pads for handbrake on Nissan X-Trail 331. For this car, handbrake is not okay, it's not keeping. So I'll try to fix this. So for this is need to lift the car and save with a stand. Now I'll remove the wheel. The wheel is out. So we have this cover. This little cover is need to take out. I remove the brake disc because it's more easy to show you that adjuster is this. So that adjuster you can actionate from that little hole from disc, or with disc off. You need to adjust like this. So adjust a little bit, fit the disc and check if play easy. So this is the way to adjust handbrake on Nissan X-Trail 331. So from this little adjust.